Hello, everyone, and welcome back to my wealth space. It's been a while we're working on all that aspect to enhance things, to make things kind of even work better, and for us to be able to deliver what we really planned. And it's taking a little bit while, but as time goes on, as we continue to work on those things, we also, I believe, we should kind of keep our minds on the market and kind of see how the market is running. Lately, things seems to be kind of going sideways, up and down. Nothing really serious. But in the midst of that, we have to continue to keep our eyes on those companies that we have. Researched on, and we have investment in it. So as we buy time, as this the market is giving us the opportunity to DCA, to continue to gradually buying all these accumulate all these stocks that we are interested in, that we have research on. I don't want us to kind of look away from the big dog in those sections, that we have identified. I'm talking about the EV, the cannabis, and also the crypto. Even though as at now, based on different things, based on the inflation that is going on, the interest rate that is still high up there, it is affecting, EV. But I'll see it like, if we chose the company that we already chosen, like Tesla or Rivian, since it seems right now that they are going sideways. So it's opportunity for us to keep buying a little by little, because we know sooner or later things are going to turn around. Now, this is the difficult part, that is very difficult for us to psychologically process, because we want to do this investment, and we want to see the money going up, and looking at it not really going up, or even sometimes going down. It does something to us. But that is where the sacrifice and the understanding of how stock market works kicks in. That's how it kicks in, to know that we are doing a long-term investment. We are not just doing trading. We are not just trying to gamble on what will work today and what will work tomorrow. We are not doing that on this channel. We are trying to build a generational wealth. So I want us to look at those companies that we have put forward in those areas of sectors of the EV and crypto and cannabis. Those sectors, those companies that we have chosen, we continue to DCA today. Today, I want us to look at Tesla. Even though Tesla has been struggling, just like every one of the EV companies. They have been struggling. They have their own challenges. One of the challenge that Tesla has was the pay package to the CEO, the Elon Musk pay package, which some CEO called board of directors kind of not really on board to pay him his pay package. It kind of drag things down, and plus it's difficult because of the high interest rate. It's difficult for people to actually take car loan and borrow money to buy a car, and other issues. But we know, as times goes on, things will turn around. So we don't want to let things turn around, then we start chasing it. We want to kind of already be in it, and gradually we position ourselves even the more. I see it as opportunity, since we already understand that at least it's a long-term investment, and we do our research, and we believe in what we are investing in. So I don't want us to take our ball off Tesla. That Tesla is there, and is still the leading and park of the leading company of the park, because they are making profit. It's pretty much the only one that is making profits now. And they are enlarging, getting enlarged all over the world. So I want us to kind of look at Tesla and keep our eyes on it. And let me just show you some of the stuff that I'm talking about when it comes to Tesla. If you look at Tesla today, 183, but in the last 5 days, it's down 1.55, and a month, pretty much the same, 1.92. 6 months ago, it has gone down from 6 months ago. Now, this is where it's very tricky, and it is very important for us to kind of understand what is going on. If you look at it, this is December. Let's just look at December. From December, it has a high of 261. 261 in December. But since December, it has been going, it went down. Then after that, it seems to be going sideways. We can see how it's going sideways. It has a dip, a big dip here in April, and it was 142. But since it picked back up, and it's been going sideways. It's been going sideways. As a starting point, it was thinking we were thinking that it might even fall further from 180, from 181, I think, or like 179 at then, or one to like somewhere around 140, back to this dip right here, of 142. But it went back up, and it seems to be keeping that level, just trading sideways. So nothing bad, nothing exceptionally stand out from Tesla. It's just the same issue that all the rest of the EV are having, and now that the board of directors have approved the pay package for the Elon Musk. So now things seems to be positioning themselves into areas of continue making profit, and the expectation is once the interest rates start dropping, it will allow people to kind of able to take loan and be able to go out there and start buying cars, or generally start spending money. Let's just look at what I know. I always want to see what the institution buyers are doing. What are the hedge fund managers and retirement managers portfolio? What are they doing? What are they going? So we always talk about this. Cathie Wood. Cathie Wood is a CEO, and even as volatile as it is with auto, with EV, they see something great in Tesla. So they still went out there and make a prediction. Make a prediction on Tesla. So they say Cathie Wood ACK Invest set new 2,600 price target for Tesla. Okay, 2,000 and 2,600 price target for Tesla. Every car become an AI powered cash flow generation machine. When is that? Well, how So we said ACK Invest CEO and founder Cathie Wood may be best known for the 2028, but she's been pretty good at her estimate. She set a target price, and they come to pass. So you can kind of push our voice out on the side. You can push our voice on the side. She does something. She has a good track record of doing great. So this is it. He said in 2023, ARK Invest set a price target of 2,000 for Tesla for 2027. Okay, so let me just highlight that. So he said a price target of $2,000 for Tesla for 2027. Okay, 2027. And then this past Wednesday, the investment manager firm announced a new price target of $2,600 in 2029. Okay, $2,600 price target by 2029. Now, if you look at it now, if someone put a price target of 2,600 for the next let me say in the next 5 years, $2,600. I don't think that is bad, because right now it's $200. That means we're probably going to get about 800%, markup on our investment on Tesla. Maybe about 700-800% markup in 5 years. I don't think that is a bad deal. And that is why I said, this moment is the most difficult time for us to invest, because we don't see our portfolio, going up. We see it kind of going sideways, kind of seems to be stagnant. So it's not really encouraging us to do that. But I'm here to kind of encourage you and to also, let us know that there is always hope at the end of the tunnel, because the stock market always, turn around when it goes down. And even now, it's not really going down, but I'm talking about the growth stock, the growth stock that we believe will help us to kind of build this generational wealth. So they are not moving up as we want them to move up. But don't be discouraged. Don't get caught up. When things start moving, they usually move pretty fast, and that is what I'm trying to bring up to us now. And I don't want us to take our eyeball off all these companies, because it is going to turn around. Now, when? I don't know, but I know it probably going to be closer than we think, because once they start dropping dropping the interest rate, and people now have easy access to borrow money and to spend money, I think things will turn around pretty fast than and we see our portfolio just going up. This price, I'm quite sure one day we will look back. Even if Cathie Wood said $2,600, and let's say she was wrong, we didn't get it. We only get to 50% of it, which is $1,300. Or let's even say $1,000. Let's just say $1,000. Okay, so $1,000 right now is less than $200. It's $183 right now. It's still a bargain. It's still a bargain. So I want to, don't be discouraged. Continue to invest in it. Take this time and this opportunity to continue to invest in those companies that are very vital. But that we know when things turn around, they are going to turn around. Pretty much they are going to turn around. So this is what I'm just bringing to us. We try to do things even the more. I don't really believe in. It's not that I don't believe in it, but if you don't have the time, and if you don't have the fund, it's not very encouraging. It's not very advisable to trade on a daily basis. I believe in long-term investment, because it always pays out. So especially when you take those companies that are very vital, that are the leaders in their sector. So we're doing that. So let us continue to do what we need to do, and let us relax and watch our things turn around to the greatness. If this is your first time of watching one of our video, this is where we discuss about strategy to build our generational wealth. We build generational wealth for ourselves and also for our next generation. We do it on a long time. So we bring in different opportunities as it presents itself for us. So I would like you to subscribe to this channel. I would like you to share this video, and also to comment on this video. Well, what is your own strategy or investment strategy? How do you invest? We are all here rub mind and to empower one another and to us together to get to the next level. So subscribe to this channel and also, share this video. Thank you very much for coming in. I will see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.